I just really wanted to create a space that provided some additional character to this 1942 home. My previous kitchen had storage space, but it was insufficient or inefficient. Both spaces are small, and both spaces needed an update and a refresh to the finishes. Some of them had the 1942 finishes still in place. Dennis and his team, but particularly Dennis in the pre-construction phase, just spent a lot of time to understand the scope and the details that I wanted. Always on time, worked hard, listened to issues that I may have had, questions that I had, addressed them quickly. So I was really quite appreciative of that. Dennis throughout, a very responsive, fair, I think just a pleasure to work with all around. From the very beginning, he was great in taking the time to work with me and trying to outline the entire project from the beginning, the entire scope of the project. He was also very respectful of the budget throughout the process. So when there was issues that came up, he was very upfront about how much that would add to the project and costs, and quickly was able to give me an assessment of how much more it would take and give me options, recommend them to family already. So no hesitations there. They were great to work with. I think for me, it's the attention to detail. So they met my expectations and it far exceeded them for the level of detail and the level of craftsmanship that they brought to the project.